Hi, what is the value of x? Given that you have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals minus 27. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, we have the same base 2, 2. We can have this as 2 to the power of x plus x plus x to be equals minus 27. So from here we have 2 to the power of x plus x is 2. X plus x we have is here to be 3x equals minus 27. So let us recall that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, this can be simplified as a to the power of n in parentheses to the power of n. So when you apply it here, we're going to have this as 2 to the power of x in parentheses to the power of 3 equals minus 27. So from here, let's take this 27 to the other side. So we're going to have 2 to the power of x in parentheses to the power of 3 plus 27 to be equals 0. So we have 2 to the power of x in parentheses to the power of 3. Then let's have 27 in base 3 as 3 to the power of 3. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. We have this one has power 3, this one has power 3. You got to recall that when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 always equals as when you have a plus b in parentheses again multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square as this. So when you now apply it here, we have our a to be equals 2 to the power of x, we have our b to be equals 3. So here will be 2 to the power of x plus 3. Our a is 2 to the power of x, our b is 3. So here will be 2 to the power of x square minus a is 2 to the power of x multiplied by b, 3, plus here will be b, 3 to the power of 2. Then we set everything to be equal 0. So from here, we have, for this expression to be equal 0, is either we have 2 to the power of x plus 3 equals 0, or we have 2 to the power of x in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 9 to be equal 0, for this expression to be equal 0. Then let's say case 1. We have 2 to the power of x to be equals from here minus 3. Now from here is positive and here is negative. Here is positive for all the value of s greater than 0. Here will always be positive, here is negative. So this has no real solution. But we can try for the complex solution, then let's see. Then from here, we have to recall that we can have this as x will be equals 3 times minus 1. Then minus 1 equals I square in a complex space. Now we want to generate the complex solution. So here will be 2 to the power of x equals 3 times I to the power of 2. Then to get the possible value of x, let us introduce log. So we're going to have log 2 to the power of x equals log 3 multiplied by I to the power of 2. So recall that when you have log p to the power of m, this power m will come down to the base as m multiplied by log p. So here will be x multiplied by log 2 equals log 3 times I square. Then let us also recall that when you have log a times b, this equals as when you have log a plus log b. So let's apply this one to this. We are going to have x multiplied by log 2 equals log 3 plus log I to the power of 2. So we have to divide by log 2. So this and this will cancel out. We have x to be equals log 3 plus 2 multiplied by log I, then divided by log 2. This is the complex solution for x. Why is it complex? Because of this I. Though if you substitute this value of x into the problem given, you may not get the exact solution. But this is a complex solution. Let's check for the case 2. So from here, we can solve this one using quadratic formula. So it's as if you have ax squared plus bx plus c that normally is equal 0, where we are going to have x to be equals minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when you apply it here, we're going to have 2 to the power of x equals my b is the coefficient of 2 to the power of x is minus 3. So here will be 3, positive or negative, root of minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 9 divided by 2 times 1. So we have 2 to the power of x to be equals 3, positive or negative, root of 9. 4 times 1 is 4, multiplied by 9, give us minus 36. Then all divided by 2. So from here we have 2 to the power of s equals 3, positive or negative, root of 9 minus 36 will give us minus 27. Then divided by 2. From here, we have 2 to the power of s equals 3, positive or negative. We can have this as root of 27 multiplied by root of minus 1, then divided by 2. So we have 2 to the power of x equals 3, positive or negative, root of 9 times 3 multiplied by root of minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 to the power of s equals 3, positive or negative, root of 9 will give us 3 multiplied by root 3 I all divided by 2. This is another solution where you can solve for the complex. Bye bye. Complete this.